Gracie, just keep doing it. Here, let me turn it up a little bit. You're in the room, little guy. What?
This isn't loud enough yet. Right, did you actually read the book?
Yeah, of course I read the book.
I don't think I can do this. Let's... Honey, I'm right here.
We're right here. We're just looking up that way.
We're right here, buddy.
We're right here.
We need to find another book. All right, time to sleep, buddy.
We're looking right at you.
All right, does this feel comforting?
Je suis très fatigué aussi, oui.
Hey, I like your shirt. Where'd you get the shirt? Done in a gift bag or something? Do you want us to baby-proof everything? Or are you good? I mean, just remember, like, don't fall out the window. Don't, like, drop things on yourself. Like, that's just a simple thing.
Mama. Yeah.
You could just call her Holly.
Hi.
Yeah, Holly.
Caca.